How to log into Texas Roadhouse employee account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can easily log into the Texas Roadhouse employee account. First thing you can do is simply go and search for Texas Roadhouse employee login. Go to texasroadhouse.com and go to the login option. Now once you're on this website, it will verify that you're a human. Just complete the verification quickly. Now from this login page, you'll have an option to enter your email address as well as your password. So let me just go ahead and quickly enter my email address right here as well as the password. And if you want the browser to remember your login info and if you're using a personal device, you can check this box called Remember Me so that you don't have to enter your email address every time you try to log in. And if somehow you've forgotten your password, click on this forgot password page at the bottom, enter your email, and then they'll send you a code on your email. Enter the code, and then you could just go ahead and simply log into your Roadhouse, uh, texasroadhouse.com. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.